The devil always convinces us that we will live forever. Why? So that you can put off the good that you can do today. Pag alam mo na matagal pa naman ang katapusan, di ba, magtatamad-tamad ka, pero baka mahuli na ang lahat. But remember, may deadline, may katapusan. At pagdating ng katapusan ng ating buhay, ano ang makikita ng Diyos sa ating pagkatao? We are confronted by the reality of death. Think about that. There is an ending in this life. And before we reach God, before we are confronted by God, anong may pagmamalaki natin sa Diyos? Sabi nga po ni St. John of the Cross, in the twilight of our life, we will be judged on how we love. Tandaan po natin, pag namatay tayo, dalawa lang naman nasasabihin, dalawa lang naman ang pwede natin marinig sa ibang tao eh. Una, pwede mong marinig sa iba na, ay, patay na, sayang naman. Di po ba? Or pangalawa, kung hindi yun ang sinasabi ng mga tao, pag nalaman nila, nabalitaan nila na patay ka na, ay, patay na, buti nga. Anong gusto niyo marinig pag kayo'y nakahimlay na? Yung sayang o yung buti nga? Nandoon sa kamatayan mo malalaman mo if you have done well or have done badly. As we have time that God gives us, give to us, grace to us, do not waste it. Please do your best. Do the most loving thing to do. You don't know that the kindness and the love that you show to other people may save their lives. And as you help others, you're also saving your soul. Ano yung mabuting ginawa mo? Pero para maging mabuti ka, kailangan meron kang malalim na relasyon sa Diyos.